What's up, hungry people? Today, we are making extra fancy mac and cheese balls infused with goat cheese, dried dates, crispy bacon, and drizzled with sticky balsamic vinegar. The sweet and savory profile of these mac and cheese bites is totally unexpected and out of this world delicious. Start with a few slices of thick-cut cured bacon and sizzle it down until it is just shy of being crispy. Then, without cleaning the skillet, toss in salted butter and scrape up the brown bits on the bottom of the skillet as the butter melts. Next, add in sweet onions and saute until they are golden brown and caramelized. Once the onions are sweet and tender, add in a few cloves of minced garlic. Stir it all together until the garlic is nice and fragrant, then slowly pour in a full can of your favorite beer. Bring the liquid to a rolling simmer and let the liquid reduce over several minutes. We're aiming to reduce the liquid down to about half, so when you run your spoon through the center of the skillet, the liquid is slow to refill the space and the spoon leaves easy tracks in the sauce. Then add the flour to start the roux base for the cheese sauce. Stir until the flour has absorbed the remaining liquid and is just starting to appear dry on the pan. Then add the dried dates and chopped sweet peppers. These two ingredients will add a sweet underbite to the savory flavor of the mac and cheese balls. Next, stir in the milk. I used about a 1-to-1 ratio of whole milk and buttermilk for my roux. Then add in cubes of sharp cheddar cheese and about a half a cup of goat cheese. Stir the roux continually over medium heat until the cheeses start to melt into the roux to create a smooth cheese sauce. It should be a pale golden color when the cheese has completely melted. The sauce will thicken as it cools, so it's best to work quickly for the next couple steps. Pour the cheese sauce over cooked macaroni noodles in a shallow dish. Then add chopped green onion, some more dried dates, and the bacon chopped finely. Stir it all together until it is completely mixed. Then spread the mac and cheese into an even layer and chill until the dish is completely cold. This should take about an hour or two. When the mac has chilled, use an ice cream scoop to scoop out even portions of the mac. Then roll the mac and cheese between your hands to form bite-sized balls. Next, we'll dredge the balls, first in flour, then in buttermilk, next into plain breadcrumbs, then over to whisked eggs, and then back to the breadcrumbs. This should form a thick bread crust around the mac and cheese center. Fry the mac and cheese balls in batches, about 5 to 6 minutes per batch. I did just 2 at a time to ensure that I didn't overcook or burn the balls as I was filming, but feel free to fry as many as you can fit without overcrowding the frying pot. You want there to be enough oil in the pan to at least mostly cover the balls as they cook. Otherwise, they may start to split and crack where the oil meets the surface of the ball. When the balls are golden brown, transfer them to a plate to dry and cool prior to serving. I like to drizzle balsamic vinegar over my mac and cheese balls and add some parsley for a pop of color. But these steps are totally optional. What's your favorite way to eat mac and cheese? Let me know down in the comments below. If you want to help support my channel, be sure to check out the Teespring link in the description for some t-shirts and merch. If you buy something from my Teespring store, you are helping to buy ingredients, camera upgrades, and more. Every little bit of your support helps my channel. Don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell to be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. For more recipes with step-by-step instructions, check out thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon.